Should we do the huge one here? Maybe a couple cute one. Because I'm just so cute. I don't want to destroy this. So I'm going to add one. Just a couple of the petals. Two. It's so cute. But you know what? If you like it like that, the foil looks perfect like that, don't do anything else on it. Just top coat and well, we already top coat and then you're good to go. But if you decide to get some designs on, you can add a couple. I'm gonna use a couple petals only because I don't want to cover all the cuties there. Just add just a little bit of 40 on it. All right, so only you need is a 3D doer brush. And then you can start press it down first in the center. If you want your flowers, a petal to be like toward to the outside, press it down. And then do the same thing with the other beads. You know what? I think I like it a lot. Different because this is two strong colors. Like that. Here's how everyone doing so far. Thanks so much for tuning in. So what is the points here? You don't have to get it perfect yet. You can get like them as a couple of the petals and start sculpting the way you want it. And then don't worry about it's going to be perfect or not, because you can always go back and perfect it before you cure. They're not going to set to cure to dry until yours going to cure under the LED lights. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this one. Look at that. You will start seeing it. There's like a little bit of residues here. So all you need is my alcohol. I put it on the side here. Just dip it in there. Dip the tip of the 3D dual brush and then wipe it off nicely. And then so then that way they won't not getting any attack layer. Press down to the left and to the right. Same thing. Press down. I'm gonna try to keep all these in the frame so this looks nice. And then you don't have to worry it's gonna hang on the side at all. Okay, and then here's a key. You don't have to do it's really aggressive, just really gentle touch. And this is how this works. Just simple as it is. And then don't key it yet. So we're gonna get the kits again. I'm gonna get a couple of the frame. Okay, can I get the kits? I'm gonna use this two kits because one has a lot of really nice big frame and the other one have a smaller frame. So, oh, looks good. Oh. Let me see. I want this one. This brick frame for that. And then one more. Oh my goodness, this, I'm gonna show you this. So you wonder what I'm using. This is Ultimate Crystal Kits, and this is a kit number 1. I love this kit so much. It's one of my fave. And actually it's really cool because it has a lot of elements and a lot of frames and fun for me to do and to create with. And has a lot of everything, like all the frames and 20 different color, but this one doesn't have a centerpiece. The other one has centerpiece. Like this one, the Ultimate Crystal Kits, but perfect combinations. I love it. It's a great like ideas for beginner nail tech to get started with the crystal placement, and also for a lot of nail lovers that love all of, you know, crystal and bling. This is going to be absolutely perfect. I'm gonna move it on this side right here. And then we're gonna do what I'm gonna do, because it's not dry yet. I'm gonna take advantage from it still really nice and stay nice wet like that. I'm gonna using the condensed glue gels. Don't touch any flowers. If you are doing this, just leave it alone like that. And we are going to add condensed glue gel. So now I am going to add condensed glue gel on all of the nail, entire nails, including right here, because I'm gonna know that I'm gonna put some frame on. I'm gonna dress some of the centers of this cute flowers. And then top coat on the top. Oh my god, I really like this one. And no wet top coat on. So now if you want this design to be matte finish, you can apply the matte finish on the top of the condensed glue gel instead of the shiny. So this nail is already completely like sealed, because before we're doing the 40 gel, I already did a top coat on it. All right, so now take advantage from this, is still wet. I mean, had the condensed glue gels, and the 40 is still not setting, so I'm gonna press the metals. Okay, and then we are going to add, I'm gonna move this one, okay? I'm gonna add the crystal on. I love this. It's like classic blue. You can add 1 crystal, 2, however you would prefer. Looks awesome. And then I'm add some beads on B2. Can you check if I have any comment, babe? Please let me know all the comment.
No, you are fine.
Thanks so much. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok. You guys are amazing. And I hope each videos will bring you some inspirations. I love to go in live to like enjoy and prepare all the different cool ideas with you. Thank you so much for enjoying with me, stopping by. Oh, this one have one more. So I'm gonna do one more. Right there. She's like right on the edges right there. And then this is so cute. What should I do? Should I do a yellow? No. I should do pink. Maybe. I should do this. What you think? Think it's good? I have a little like friend right here, and like they said, hey, I'm gonna go with you. You like it? You happy with this? We are going to cure this for 60 seconds.